This is your Morena girl, Junesse, and welcome back to my channel! Alright, so we are back with another video. What we are gonna do is unboxing and reviewing these items. These are from GoodBrowPH and PrettyEmpressPH. So, if you want to know what's the inside of these packages, please keep on watching! Alright, so let's start unboxing this item from GoodBrowPH. So let's open this one. And it's inside this paper bag. Look, it's Good Brows. Yes. And this is in Cebu City because I am in Cebu. And it's inside this one. It's very sealed. Wow. I actually choose their Good Brow bundle in mocha because they have 3 sets of this one, like bundles. We have mocha and then black and then the clear one. So they have different prices. I actually get these mocha items in bundle. So let's open this one. It's actually like sealed. Look. Very, very safe. And there's a note. And then the inside of this package is a 50 ml Hydra Aloe Face and Brow Mist. So like that. And then we have the Brows and Lash Growth Serum. Yeah, like you can grow your lashes and your eyebrows. And then we have 2 spoolies and the brow soap in tinted mocha. Yes, so let's open this brow soap here and let's look at the inside. Yes, look, there's a lot. I guess you cannot consume this one for a year because it's really big. I love it. And there are 2 spoolies, extra spoolies, but you can definitely use your spoolies. Yes, we're gonna review that after. Let's proceed unboxing this item from PrettyEmpressPH. So let's see. It's actually good because they wrap it in a bubble wrap, so you can really assure that your items are safe while shipping. So this is actually like their partnership or like their collab items, and I actually choose the letter B, and this is the items. There are 5 mixed lip products that they will send, and we will swatch and review this one later on. Now let's review the items from GoodBrowPH. So let's first do this one. It's a Hydra Aloe Mist. So let's see. Ooh, it feels good. It's actually like very hydrating. As you can see, when I was not using this one, my face is really dry, but as you can see, it's glowing and moisturized now. And we will not try this one because it's a serum. Alright, now let's proceed trying their brow soap. Let's get this spoolie here and their brow soap in mocha. The instruction there is you have to mist this there's pulley here, and then slide it to the brow sew. Alright, so I'm finished with this one. Let's proceed reviewing this lip products that I have here from PrettyEmpressPH. Let's have these two items. They're Pixie lip tints in the shade Glimmer and Chloe. I'm gonna swatch it in my hand first, and then let's try to put it in our lips. Okay, let's swatch it in our hand first. That is Glimmer. See, Glimmer. Yes, it's like color orange. Let's have Chloe. Chloe and then Glimmer. So Chloe is a little red and then Glimmer is orange. So let's try Glimmer in our lips. The scent is really nice, and as you can see, the orange one, it's actually nice. It makes your look fresh, so it's good. The quality is good as well. Let's see if it's it's smudged a little bit, but didn't get the product in our lips. The scent is really good, and as you can see, Chloe, it's red and it really looks nice. Okay, now let's proceed with this product. It's called Sugar Dolls in the shade Sugar Plum. It's not that full, and it actually went here. So see? Yeah, that's okay. Let's see, let's watch it. It's colored dark red or like a little violet, so let's try it in our lips. So yeah, it's dark red. See? This is Sugar Dolls, and it smells like candy. So very nice. Let's proceed with this one. It's the Slush item, a lip tint in the shade Pixie Dust. It's their premium tints. So let's see. It's like very light red. Their premium tints. It's really not visible in the hand. See, can you see it? It's really not visible. Yeah, but let's try it in our lips. Well, it's okay, but you really have to put a lot of coating with this one because the color is really not visible. It's very light, and that's what you can see here in my hands for the swatch. Yeah, okay. This one. Next is their Velvet Lip Dip. It's creamy velvet lip dip. I love the packaging. It's really cute, and it's my favorite color. It's pink with a little blue at the top, so I really love the packaging, and let's try to swatch it. I actually choose the shade Sasha. It's quite red. Oh, okay. Let's swatch it. There, that's the color of the velvet lip tint. The creamy velvet lip dip. So let's try putting it in our lips. Yeah, so that's the outcome. See? Yeah, it's red. It's like something red-orange color. Let's see if it's smudge proof. Let's try to see. It's taken off, but the other colors is still there. Now we are done unboxing and trying our products. So now we're gonna give a honest review and the rating from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. Yes. So let's first have this one. GoodBrowPH. The packaging is not that very attractive. It's very common. So for packaging, we're gonna rate it 5 for the packaging. The quality of the brow soap, I'm gonna rate it 8 because it's not really good for people who have minimal hairs. You need to top it with a brow product, but you can still use it if you're going for a no makeup look and if you are trying to have a bushy brows. Now for the mist, I love the scent and it's very moisturizing as well, so I'll give it 9 out of 10. Yes, overall is 8 out of 10. So it's still a good product and it's very affordable, so you can really try this one. Now let's proceed with PrettyEmpressPH products that we received. Let's first have this Pixie Glimmer. I love the packaging. It's very common and it's very simple. The packaging, I'll give it a 6 out of 10 because it's common, but for the quality of the lip tint, I really like it because it's smudge proof, because you cannot erase it easily. It's long wear, it's very long wear, and the colors is good for Morena. I'm in color Glimmer and Chloe. You can definitely get this one. I can recommend these colors for Morena girls. And the rating for this one for quality is, let's give it a 9 over 10. Okay, now let's have the Slush Lip Tint with Pixie Dust. The packaging is very simple, so I'm gonna give this 4 out of 10 because it can be improved for the packaging. And for the quality, the color or the swatch is very light, and if you will put it in your lips, it's very light as well, and it's almost not getting into the roll ball. So there's really no products in your lips. You really have to put effort in coating. So for quality, I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10. So let's proceed with this Sugar Dolls lip tint in Sugar Plum. The packaging, it's really cute, like silvery or something. It's cute, but it can be improved with this cap. I'll give the packaging 6 out of 10. And for the quality, I actually like the pigmentation of this product when you put it on your lips. So, but the quality wise, I'll give it 8 out of 10. Yes, for this one. Now let's have the last but not the least product that we need to have an honest review and rating. This creamy velvet lip dip from PrettyEmpressPH. For packaging, it's really cute, and it's really not common for this kind of affordable lip product. So it's good. The color is nice as well for Morena girls. For packaging, I'll give it 10 out of 10 because it's really cute. I love this one, and you can definitely put this inside your small bags. Quality of this product, it's good as well because it's not erased easily. The quality and the color will give it 8 out of 10. For PrettyEmpressPH letter B promo or collaboration package that they have, I'll give it 7 out of 10 because of this one, and because this one is not really full. So 7 out of 10. But I love these products. Thank you very much. So we are done reviewing the products that was sent to me. We are done trying and giving it ratings. So I definitely recommend those shops, GoodBrowPH and PrettyEmpressPH, because those are small local businesses and we need to appreciate our products. So these products are organic and they are very affordable. I'm actually putting the links of their page on my description box below. You can click that and visit their page and their Instagram accounts. That was the end of our video for today. If you ever liked this video, please click on the like button below and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. So comment down below if you have products that you want me to try or to review, because I'd gladly do it for you. You can give me a follow on this social media accounts. Please remember that you are worthy, you matter, you are loved, and you are magical. Just be kind, be happy, and always wear those beautiful smiles. Bye bye! See you in my next vlog!